Hello Hyderabad. My name is Kushag Gupta. I head marketing at Paradise Biryani. This Haleem season has been a tremendous season for us. We have launched Chicken Haleem and Family Pack for the first time. And just like as always, we have given the most authentic Haleem recipe where we use 100% pure meat, 100% pure ghee, and we make our all the products in a very hygienic condition. This Haleem season, we have kept the pricing same in spite of any inflationary pressure. We are selling single portion at 249 rupees for mutton, and chicken Haleem single portion is at 199 rupees. Our family pack, which is 1 kg pack, we are selling at 699 rupees for mutton Haleem and 499 rupees for chicken Haleem. Haleem is available at all Paradise restaurants in entire Hyderabad city. We have more than 40 outlets right now. So Haleem is available nearby your house. So enjoy heavenly taste of heavenly Paradise Haleem. Thank you.
My name is Ali. I am a very regular customer here. I love Paradise Haleem, and I am a very regular because of the being authentic recipe I get here and very hygienic. So I take it for my family, my friends every time when I come here. And this year I am enjoying chicken Haleem also, which they have introduced, and it is awesome. So I hope everybody tastes that also. I think it is more than 15 years I come here. And as you know, it is a Ramzan special. So that adds to the heavenly taste, which I enjoy always. And I give it to my friends as a gift always from Ramzan. The small message to the, big fans of Haleem who really enjoy Haleem in Ramzan. Please try this Paradise Haleem because it is very authentic recipe and it is very hygienic and very tasty. So I would definitely recommend Paradise Haleem for everyone. Thank you.